Making faceless YouTube videos is a great way to earn money online. Documentary-style videos are especially popular, and some channels make thousands of dollars every month. You might think, that sounds great, but I don't have the skills or money for expensive tools like Premiere Pro. What if I told you that you can create these videos using Canva? That's right. You don't need fancy tools or special skills. Canva is simple to use and can help you make amazing videos just like the pros. Stay with me and I'll show you how to do it step by step. It's easier than you think. Step 1. Start with the script. The backbone of every engaging documentary video is the script. I use ChatGPT for this. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, I need a YouTube video script for a documentary video about Egyptian pyramids. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed script with scene descriptions and keywords. Copy the script and save it in your text editor. Easy, right? Now, let's move to the next step. Generate a voiceover. I recommend platforms like 11 Labs or Play.ht for more realistic and high-quality voices. Generate your voiceover, download it, and let's move on. Step 3. Open Canva and search for YouTube video. This opens a blank white canvas. Let's set up the structure, change the canvas background to black, upload your voiceover and add it to the timeline. Click the plus icon to add blank pages until they match the length of your voiceover. Search for keywords from the script in Canva's search bar and save relevant elements on the last page. Step 4. Editing and animating clips. Add clips according to your voiceover. Use transitions and animations to enhance visuals. For a captivating intro, here's a trick. Add 3 eye-catching clips. Adjust their cinematic look by tweaking temperature, contrast, and vignette setting. Set the duration of each clip to 0.6 seconds. Add sharp pop animation to each clip and smooth chill animation to the page transitions. Final touches, and there you have it. Add finishing touches by tweaking animations and transitions where necessary. Once done, export your video and upload it to YouTube.